In this video, we are going to discuss about the architecture of the bot. The bot will be divided into a few microservices which will be performing all the operations on behalf of us. Here we have selected Binance server to perform all the operations on behalf of us because Binance is going to provide us the API. Buy and sell are the microservices which are going to perform all the limit orders. Crypto prices keep fluctuating on every millisecond, so we need a module to continuously monitor and fetch the pricing difference in latest price. So price observer is going to continuously call this Binance API and collect price related detail on behalf of us, and it will be storing them on a database. Then comes this idle order remover. So whenever we made any buy or sell order as a limit order, we are expecting it to be executed quickly. If it doesn't get executed within specific time frame, then we would like to cancel the order. So this module is responsible for continuously watching the open orders, and it will make sure that it cancels the order when the time has expired or they are no more profitable at all. Then comes as analytics data logger, which is going to collect data. All the historical data, transactional data are going to be analyzed by this module. So it will call Binance API, collect data and store them in the database. Then comes down sync order. This is going to take care of all the data sync operations. So we should not be out of the data or we should not have outdated data. This module will be continuously monitoring the data inside our local database versus data coming from the Binance server. Then comes budget. This module is responsible to maintain the budget of our crypto, so we won't lose all the money in case of the negative scenario, and of course we won't be able to make more investment than the limit we have set in our wallet. So budget will be the approver of all the buy and sell transactions. So any transaction we want to make, they will pass through this budget module. It will approve whether we should buy or sell. After that only any of the API call will be made. Last comes is the trade observer, which is going to monitor all the trades that we are going to perform. For example, if we make a buy limit order and the order has executed after 5 minutes, then trade observer module will notify us that the order has executed, and then it will take next decision to sell that order if we have reached to the specific price limit. So this trade observer is a very important module of our code, which will be making buy and sell API calls. Just to avoid any storage related latency, we are having all the DBs separate for each and every microservices. So every microservice needs specific data in specific format, and those all can be stored and taken care inside their own personal database. They won't be accessing any other microservice database. And all these microservices also may need to communicate in between. For that, we are using in-memory database, which is Redis database. We are going to use pub/sub mechanism of Redis. So any of the microservice can play a role of publisher or a subscriber at any point of time based on the requirement. This message transferring in the pub/sub queue will be within no time.